Hi Dress Up Cuties, Wendy here. Dark Blue Jevin from Incredibox. So let's get started. To draw this cute Sprunki, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a very big circle. So this drawing is going to help us practice drawing lots of circles today. So I'm going to go right here and start with a big one. And if you're not comfortable drawing circles freehand, you can definitely find something to trace. But I just feel like our drawing looks better if it's just kind of hand drawn, even though the circles are not perfect. So I'm going to come right across, say about right here, right next to each other, and we're going to draw another circle. So I'm just going to drag this across since these circles are so big, just so I kind of know where I'm going for the other one. It's approximately the same size. And connect. There, so then I have two circles in. I'm going to come into the center area, say about right here, and I'm just going to draw a line straight across. And since I'm right here, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Then from there, oops. Now I look, okay, 1 second. It's a bit crooked here, so I think it's good. I always have to make sure I look at my camera. Okay, much better. This side was a little bit off. Okay, there. And then I'm going to come in here and draw another half circle. So we're just going to follow my bottom and go up. And then this part is going to be shaded in. And same thing over here. So approximately right about here, just like the other side. Okay, so now that I have that, let's come in the center in between the eyes, say about right here. I'm just going to kind of draw a little line, but it's going to be very slightly turned down. Just lots of attitude. There, just a little bit. And then from there, let's go above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then we need to draw a circle around for the head. So to make it a little bit easier, let's come to the center about right here. I'm going to come out, give myself a point. Same thing here. Just give yourself a point. And from there, just draw a big half circle. So a big dome. Big dome curve. I'm going to go up. To about right here's my center, and then we can come right back down. So bear with me here as I try to draw these big curves. Then down. There. And so then we're going to do the same thing at the bottom. So come down here around the eye. And let's say about right. I'm just going to give myself a point just so it's easier for me to see where I'm going. Right in the center. And same thing here. So hopefully you're not drawing as big as I am. Your circles will be a lot easier to draw. Okay. A little wobbly. There. So then now that we have that, we need to draw the hoodie. So I'm going to come up in the center. I'm going to find my center, go up. This side is a little bit higher. So I'm going to say about right here. And I'm just going to start a curve, and it's going to get a little bit narrower as we come down. So we just want the top to be a little bit higher, and then we're just going to go all the way around our circle. So we're just giving it a little gap for the hoodie. So same thing here. give a little gap. There. And then we're going to go up once again. So find your center and say about right here. One more layer, and we're going to do the same thing. So it goes down, and it's just going to get a little bit thinner as we come down. So about right here, just bring it in, and same thing here. So we're just going to follow all the way around. So definitely turn your paper or your body if it helps you to draw these big curves. Okay, there, finally. So I'm going to come in here really quickly and shade this part in just so you can see a little bit better what's going on. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Your goal is just to make it look like a hoodie, so the top part just has a little bit more gap over this circular shaped head. There, a little bit better, right? Cleaned up a little bit. Okay, so then from there we can finally draw the neck area. So I'll say about right here and here, just to center this. And I'm just going to draw a slight angle line coming down on both sides. Let's bring it down a little bit more. Now they're about the same height. I'm going to go ahead and just come back to the center with an angle. And the other side as well. There. And then just bring it down, come in a little bit, and we're just going to continue this angle to about right there. And same thing here. And connect with a straight line. There. And last thing, let's just add a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Jevin from Incredibox. I hope I didn't butcher his name and that it is Jevin. But thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.